Twist your ankle, pull a muscle, what is the first thing everyone says? Put ice on it. That is the go-to advice for injury. However, a doctor who popularized this later said that this might delay the recovery. Let's unpack this. The classic advice came from Rice method: rest, ice, compression, elevation. This was proposed by Dr. Gabe Mirkin in 1978. But in 2015, he changed his stance and he said that excessive rest and icing might delay the recovery. After an injury, body kicks off inflammation. The inflammation increases blood flow and clears damaged tissue. It is a key part of healing. Ice, on the other hand, reduces blood flow. It may help with pain and swelling in the initial phase. However, excessive use of ice may decrease the natural healing process. So while ice can make you feel better, it doesn't help you to speed up the recovery. That is why, based on the recent evidence, instead of using ice, we use peace and love. This was proposed by two Canadian researchers, and they published this paper in British Journal of Sports Medicine. P stands for protect. Avoid movements that significantly increases pain. E stands for elevate. Keep the injured part elevated. And A stands for avoid anti-inflammatories and avoid excessive icing in the initial phase. C stands for compress, use bandage to manage swelling. E stands for educate, that the active recovery is better than passive recovery and complete rest. Then transition to love. L stands for load. Gradually introduce the movements for active recovery. O stands for optimism. Your mindset plays an important role in the recovery process. V stands for vascularization. Light, pain-free cardio improves circulation. And E stands for exercise. Gradual introduction of exercise restores mobility, strength, and function. So here is my practical take. If the pain is very severe, you can't bear weight, and something feels off, get it checked to make sure there is no serious injury. Icing can be applied initially on a short-term basis, maybe 10 to 15 minutes, 2 or 3 times a day, 1 to 2 days. Avoid excessive repeated icing for many days. It shouldn't replace active recovery and a proper rehab. The real drivers of recovery is progressive loading, staying active within tolerance, building confidence, and trusting your own body. If this has helped, follow for more evidence-based rehab content. Thank you for watching.